In this video, I'll show you how to use AI in Google Meet. Google Meet now includes several AI-powered features, but the exact tools you see depend on your Google account, Workspace Edition, language, and whether your organization has Gemini features turned on. Google's official Meet and Workspace documentation highlights AI note-taking, translated captions or speech translation, and meeting enhancement tools like Studio Sound, Studio Look, and studio lighting as some of the main AI features available in Meet today. First, let's look at one of the most useful features, which is Take Notes for Me. Join your Google Meet meeting on a computer and look for the note-taking option in the meeting controls. When you start it, Google can create AI-generated meeting notes in a Google Doc so you can focus more on the conversation instead of typing everything yourself. Google also says this feature works in supported spoken languages and currently supports one language at a time. Another powerful AI feature is live language help. Google says Meet can provide translated captions in real time, and Google Workspace Materials also describe speech translation for supported accounts. This is useful when people in the meeting speak different languages because it helps everyone follow along more easily. If your account supports it, open the captions or language settings in the meeting and choose the language you want. You can also use AI to improve how you look and sound in meetings. Google lists Studio Sound, Studio Look, and Studio Lighting as Meet features powered by Gemini or Google AI in supported plans. These can help reduce audio issues, improve video quality, and make your appearance look more polished during calls. You usually access these from your Meet video or audio settings before joining, or during the meeting if your version supports them. There's also a newer feature called Ask Gemini in Google Meet that Google has been rolling out more broadly. Google's release notes show it expanded in 2026 to more workspace customers, more languages, and mobile usage. So if you see that option in your account, it can act like a meeting assistant inside Meet. So the basic idea is simple. Join a Meet call, check whether your account has Gemini features enabled, use Take Notes for Me for automatic notes, turn on translated captions if needed, and explore Studio Sound, Studio Look, or Studio Lighting for a better meeting experience. That's how to use AI in Google Meet. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.